Hi guys, welcome back. If you guys want to see how I achieve my lash lift, keep on watching. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how I do my own lash lift. I am certified by a company, but today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I did my own lash lift before I got my certification with this other company. So I'm actually going to be using the product that you can actually get yourself on Amazon, which is really good. To be honest with you, I compare both of them and there's pretty much no difference. So other than the one that I am certified for, it is keratin, so it's a little more gentle on your eyelashes than the one from Amazon. But I'm going to show you guys how you can get this done at home yourself if you're comfortable with that. I know not a lot of people are comfortable with going into like near their eye, so I get it. You don't have to. You can always come to me. I still do them at home. So yes, I do lashes at home, so you can always come to me. But anyway, so without further ado, I'm going to show you the products that I am using, and then I'm going to show you step by step on what it is that you do. So I use the Lash Lift Kit by Stacy Lash. You can get this right on Amazon. I'm going to link all of this down below. And in the inside, you get all these little products. This is pretty much what a lash lift is you perming your eyelashes to curl up. So this product smells like perming solution. So if you ever smelled perming solution, it's exactly how it smells. So this is the first product I'm going to be putting into my eyelashes, the second product, and then to neutralize my lashes, condition my lashes, I'll be using this. And in between, there was a cleanser, but I don't have any more of it. So what you can get is micellar water, and use this as your cleaner between the steps that you have to do. In the pack, you get everything you need. You don't need to buy anything separate. It comes with everything. You have your lift pads, you have your cleaning tools, you have the little wand that you need to use for lifting your eyelashes onto the rod, and then you have stoolies in here, and like you have pads to put on under your eye, just to like give you a little, a little therapy while you're doing your lashes. I'm not gonna use that. Totally up to you guys. You can go ahead and use it. So let me get started. So first thing you have to do is just comb your lashes. Let me bring you guys a little closer. Alright, so what you're gonna do first is actually just comb your lashes. Make sure that they are not like tangled with each other, or like I have very little lashes, okay guys? So, but you will see. Oh, okay, so not only am I gonna show you guys how to do your own lash lift, I'm also going to show you how to dye your lashes. And I'm also going to be dyeing my eyebrows. My eyebrows last me maybe 10 days. My eyelashes last me obviously much longer. The lash lift itself lasts about 6 weeks. The color though pretty much kind of goes away within like 2 to 3 weeks. So it's something you do have to keep up with if you want the darkness. It does wash out. But the lash lift itself, it does last about 6 weeks. First thing you have to do is you have these little rods, lash rods. So what you do is, I'm sorry, and I didn't show you what the thing on the side, it's the glue. It comes with like a glue. So what you do is you're gonna be putting it behind here, There's instructions in the box. If I miss something, just follow the instructions on the box. If you do dare to do this yourself. So you're gonna go ahead and place it right on top of your lash. I'm sorry, your eyelid. Make sure you get as close as you can to your eyelash. Alright, I'm going to be looking super scary and super weird, okay guys? I was gonna do just one lash on camera, but I am gonna do both because I want to get this done and over with. It's the day before Mother's Day and I got plans, so I'm trying to minimize my time. So usually I would do one at a time. No, I mean I wouldn't. I normally do both at the same time. But for camera purposes, I was gonna do one. But we are just gonna go with the way I normally do this. I'm gonna do both. Alright, there you guys have it. So, next what you do is, like I said, the package already comes with a little thing that helps you bring your lashes up onto the rod. I have my own that I normally use. It's just what I'm used to using, so. It's a metal one. I wouldn't recommend to use a metal one if you're not used to doing this. You can use the plastic one that the package comes with. So we're gonna go ahead, you do sections at a time. So I do half of my lash. This is pretty much, you're putting glue. This is just the glue to glue your lashes back onto the rod. So let it blow a little bit, let it get tacky, let the glue get tacky. So what I just did here, you're gonna do on the other side. I'm gonna be recording everything I do to the one. I'm going to stop on everything that I do to the right. So this video is not so long. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. I went ahead and put my lashes up onto the rod with the glue, and now we are all set to start our step one. So what we're gonna do is grab number one, put it in a little bit of like a piece of like paper or like cardboard. That way you're not contaminating. So what I do is, I mean, you could do whatever you want because this product, if you're gonna be the only one using it, you don't have to worry about that. So you're gonna grab one of the little spoolie, one of these little, it looks like a Q-tip that it comes with. This stuff, it does come in the box, so you'll see that. Just grab some of this and put it on the side, on the piece of cardboard, or whatever it is that you're using. Alright, and then you just start applying the product onto your lashes. Applied number one onto my eyelash. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other. You leave this on for 8 to 12 minutes, and then you cleanse it off with your micellar water. It's been about 12 minutes for my number one. Step number one, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off. Like I said, I'm gonna be using my micellar water. And we are just going to be rubbing this up. And that one is the blue one. We're gonna do the same thing, apply it from the root to the mid. Alright, so I went ahead and did step number 2. And next, what I'm gonna do is prepare my, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my my dye, my tint, I should say. I'm gonna show you guys what it comes with. It comes with your little developer, and then it comes with your color, and then the little piece that it comes with this like little tiny little bowl to use to mix your color in. Then it comes with these like little things. If you're not gonna do like a lash lift or anything, you can go ahead and just dye your own lashes and protect the bottom of your eyelashes with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that. The instructions just say to use about 1/2 inch. That's exactly what I do. I use that much color. You see that line? And then I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple dots of the developer. Go slow. Do not put too much. Go ahead and do a couple drops slow. And then go ahead and mix it. It comes with this little like spoolie thing. Looks like a little screw. And that's how you're gonna go ahead and mix that, because the color is thick. So you need something hard to mix it with. So it does come with it, so it will be in the package. Alright, you should get something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my eyelashes. I'm sorry, not my eyelashes, because we're still working with this product on my eyelashes. What I'm gonna do is actually start with my eyebrows. So I'm gonna brush my eyebrows again, make sure that everything is well groomed. And then I have this brush. It does not come with this, but I have this brush. It's like an eyebrow brush, very thin, squared. So I'm gonna be using that to be applying to my eyebrows. I also use this to apply to my eyelashes. So pretty much if you if you fill in your eyebrows, you're gonna be using the same thing. You're pretty gonna be doing the same thing, I'm sorry. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to take step number 2 off. I do have the dye on my eyebrows. I like to keep that on while number 2 is processing, along with what I'm doing next is I'm gonna dye my lashes. So I like to leave my eyebrows on while number 2 is processing and my dye is processing on my eyelashes. You don't have to do that. I just like my eyebrows a little dark, so that's what I do. So same thing, you're gonna go ahead and wipe that product off in upward motions. Alright, so now that is off, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my tint to my eyelashes. Pretty much do the same thing with that brush and just bring that up. You want to apply this all over your eyelash so that way they're nice and dark. Guys, so my color on my eyelashes is done. I'm gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes. My lashes have been sitting for about 15 minutes. My tint, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe everything out. Just my eyebrows, my eyelashes, all of it. Get this off my skin. Look how nice that looks. To get the rot off your lashes, you're gonna go ahead and clean these off when you're like completely done and you're done your lashes. Clean these off to use them for next time. Alright guys, so because your eyelashes just went through a big went through some kind of like it went through some heavy chemicals, perming solution, you're gonna want to put the conditioner, the number 3, the lash filler. You're gonna want to put that conditioner into on your eyelashes. That way it can recondition your eyelashes. So you're just gonna apply it with one of the little spoolies it comes with. Recondition these bad boys. I hope you guys like this video. Here goes my eyelashes, nice and tinted and lifted, and my eyebrows nice and tinted. This will last me about 3 weeks like I told you guys. If you liked my video and you guys enjoyed it and you found benefit into this, if you dared like to do this at home, let me know. And if you do, comment and let me know how it went for you. I'm not gonna go ahead and tell you go ahead and do it, because you know a lot of people are scared to like put things into their eyes, whatever the case may be. So but if you're comfortable with trying it out, let me know and let me know how it goes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Bye.